Hi guys, Lion King here, and today I'm going to be showing you this puzzle box, another one I made. And please subscribe to BRICKYORKMAN because he literally actually gave me the idea of making this because it's 2-in-1 puzzle box to make this. So the red model is his and the yellow model is mine. And we actually managed to put it together to make this. I put together his models and my model and to create this. So please subscribe to him. And if I can reach 7 subscribers, I'll show you how to make the instructions for this one. So this mini puzzle box is actually really easy to figure out. It's also confusing at the same time. Now you see, take that, take the cover off, twist open the red one, pull it out, and then you'll dump out this key. You see, take that key, insert it in all the way, and that should pop out. And after you're done, insert that there. Oh shoot, come on. Oh, there, we got it. And this is your prize. You get this as your prize. I can't find any 1x1 more thingies, so I chose this. It actually shines. It's pretty cool. Now to put everything back, take your yellow key, push it through. Whoops. And there should be this hole. Take this hole, put it, and insert it in. Insert it in. And then take your key, put it there. Take this, put it there. Slide this in, rotate the bottom around, and put the key in finally. And then take this and to hold the puzzle boxes together. And that's how you solve and resolve this puzzle box. I hope you guys like it. Remember to share, subscribe, and like. See you later. Get out of my way. And subscribe. Wait, no, I already said that though. Oh my god. Yeah. Wait, what? What the heck? Okay, I'm greatly confused now.